This is Short Bible Stories, where ancient words come alive. In just a few minutes, journey through powerful moments of faith, courage, and redemption. The Bible, one short story at a time. Welcome to our deep dive into chapter 15 of the book of Acts in the Bible. This pivotal chapter is set during a crucial time in the early Christian church. The narrative begins with a significant controversy that arises among the believers. Some men from Judea were teaching that Gentile converts had to be circumcised according to the law of Moses to be saved. This teaching led to sharp disputes and debates, particularly involving Paul and Barnabas. To resolve the matter, the church decided to send Paul and Barnabas, along with some others, to consult with the apostles and elders in Jerusalem. Upon arrival, a meeting known as the Jerusalem Council was convened. Here, it became a platform for discussing the pressing issue. Must Gentiles adhere to Jewish customs to be true Christians? Peter stands up and recalls how God, without hesitation, gave the Holy Spirit to the Gentiles, just as he did to the Jews. His argument highlights the belief that purification comes through faith and not through the law. The Apostle James then speaks, quoting prophecies that affirm the inclusion of the Gentiles in God's plan for salvation. The council reaches a monumental decision. They determine that burdening Gentile believers with strict adherence to the Mosaic law is unnecessary. However, they do ask them to abstain from things like food sacrificed to idols, blood, the meat of strangled animals, and sexual immorality. This decision underscores the theme of unity and respect within the diverse body of believers. The resolution is documented in a letter, which Paul and Barnabas delivered to the church in Antioch. This message brings encouragement and joy as it highlights the acceptance of Gentiles without imposing burdensome laws. Chapter 15 of Acts is a profound insight into the dynamics of early Christianity. It establishes a precedent for resolving doctrinal disputes with wisdom, prayer, and guided discussion. As we reflect on this passage, it reminds us of the importance of unity, guided by faith and understanding. Thank you for joining this exploration of Acts chapter 15, a cornerstone moment in early church history. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels here on YouTube. They are Hard Biblical Questions, Top 10 Most Loved Bible Verses, and Senior Life Simplified. Please check them out. I think you will like them. Thank you, and God bless.